I've never done an unboxing video before, but I just had this box come in, and all I've done up to now is cut the tape. I haven't even opened the flaps yet. And I thought, hey, why don't I put this on camera? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me adjust this camera angle just a little bit. So I'm going to try to get the whole thing here. All right, so this box came from Elecraft. And there's a few goodies in here. Let's see here. First of all, we have got the bill. And you can see it wasn't too terribly bad. And there's a few cool items on there. You can see what's on there from the bill of sale there. I'm going to pair this up with my KX2. So, let's take a peek at what's in the box. This is what came in here. Alright, so here we've got an assortment of power cable. Several cables. I'm guessing this is the cable set. Yeah, this is the cable set for the KX3. Of course, I'm using a KX2, but it's the same cable set. And what do we have here? So I also, now I know this won't work with the amp. I also ordered the AX1 antenna, which is in here. This comes with a counterpoise. I thought it came with a terminal soldered on, but oh no, I see. So they have it set to just thread onto one of the battery door bolts. So I guess if I wanted to use the plug, I'd have to solder it on myself. And then the antenna. There it is. I got the coil and the mast. And since I do mostly, when I'm working on this portable antenna, most of what I do is 20 meters. And I mean, this is going to be a compromised antenna, but it'll get you on the air quickly. So that's why I did that. What else we got here? KX USB cable. And in here, I'm guessing this is the tuner. I don't have a static mat down, so I don't really want to play with this too much, but the tuner board is right there. And let's see. Product flyer. Instruction manual. Let's see, this is the owner's manual. And this is the assembly. I did buy it in kit form, obviously. Oh, and a errata page. Gotta make sure I read through that. And then down in here, oh, there's more. Let's see. Oh, the bipod. I got the bipod with it so that I can quickly attach it to the side of the radio if I want, and it'll help to steady it. KX2 accessory cable. And let's see. Two identical boxes in here. Oh man, look at, there's a PowerWorks power cable. Hardware bag. Lots of little screws. Another cable. That looks like the end plate there. All the different antennas. And the bottom cover. You know, I've always joked around that unboxing videos are the most boring thing on the planet. I think I'm proving that right now. I'm going to try to close that back up. And then in the other box, I'm guessing is the... I'm not even going to take this out only because, like I said, I'm not static protected in here. But down here, I'm guessing that it's probably the serial number. And yeah, there's the amplifier itself with just a little bit of assembly required. So I may video the assembly of this just for fun. But anyways, that's it. Quick and dirty unboxing. 7.3.